The Psychology of Money delves into the behavioral and psychological elements of personal money and wealth management. The book investigates how people's attitudes, beliefs, and emotions influence their financial decisions. 1. Emotional financial management. The book emphasizes the importance of emotions in financial decision-making. Fear, greed, and overconfidence may all contribute to both success and failure in money management. 2. Time horizon is important. The book emphasizes the significance of maintaining a long-term view. Short-term thinking frequently results in rash judgments and lost chances. 3. Patience and compounding. The importance of compounding and patience in accumulating money over time. Small, regular contributions and market time are more important than market timing. 4. Risk and uncertainty. Morgan explores the difference between risk and uncertainty. Understanding this distinction can help you make more educated decisions. 5. Simplicity and humility. Simplicity in financial strategy sometimes trumps sophisticated techniques. Furthermore, humility and understanding that we cannot anticipate or control everything in the financial markets is essential. 6. Personal values and wealth. Instead than following cultural conceptions of riches, Housel invites readers to identify their own financial objectives and beliefs. Understanding what is genuinely important to you will help you have a more meaningful financial life.